Hi, this is Jeff again, medical equipment specialist. Today we're going to discuss how often should we charge our wheelchair battery. A power wheelchair should be charged every night after use, and if not in use, should be kept plugged in and charged. If it's going to be over 2 weeks, you need to contact a service provider because the batteries actually should be disconnected from the unit so they don't discharge. To charge the chair, we would take our charger with the 3 prongs down and we slide it into the joystick and engage it. We will go to our charger and we'll look at the light. Green indicates that the battery is fully charged. If the battery is not fully charged, it'll turn amber. First it'll blink green, then it turns amber. If you get a red light, that means the battery is dead. And if you get a blinking red light, that means the battery is dead and will no longer accept the charge. At that point, you need to call your service provider to come out and determine how and to replace the batteries. If the chair fails while in the field, remember, as we discussed in previous series, we need to put our chair in neutral by unlocking the motor on the left and right side. This will allow us to push the chair to get it back to our home so it can be serviced. When we get back to the home, we would remember to engage the motors again. And if we're doing that and the chair is functioning, you would always have to power off and power on so that the module can see the motors again. I hope this was helpful, and if you do need anything, please reach out to medical equipment specialist or any authorized service provider to discuss. Thank you.